Good morning, Facebook family. How are you? Happy Monday. You know, as I was coming to work this morning, I was thinking to myself, as we stand on the fringe of this precipice called 2018, and as we come to its conclusion, we must be mindful that 2019 is going to be a great year. It is. And I wish you a happy new year and a prosperous 2019. I do, from my heart, I do. Okay, got one word for you today. Birds. Birds, as you know, a bird is an animal that flies. I hear countless people say birds. When my love birds, I saw those birds flying across the chart. Now, it's birds, folks. The word birds has the letter R in that. You cannot ignore the R. And unbeknownst to some of you, the R is not silent. Birds. Say it right, folks. Say it right.